Everyone. Now I am explaining how to add mathematical expressions in Google form in questions as well as in answers. So first you should be ready with your equations. So for example, I had made these JPG files. These are the equations in JPG files. So you have to convert your equation mathematical expressions in JPG files. So these are some examples. Now first open blank form, and in question I will explain only how to add these equations in questions. So here in question you can write, please select proper equation. If you want to add expression in question, you can use this option. So from here you can add any JPG file, or you can say equation in JPG format. So for example, if I want to add this, so just select this, or any equation you can select. So if I select this, open. So please select proper equation, and in front of that my image will appear. So you can set the setting of this image, whether left align, right align, or center align. So I have to click here, I will select center align. So this is center align. Then options for this equation, if I want to add option, so you can put equation from this add image. So you can add equation in the format of JPG format. So you can select any equation, or you can say image. So your first option, again you can give the option. So this is your option first, you can align this. This is your first option. Now second option, again you can add equation. So you can add second equation or expression. It should be in JPG format. So in this way you can add n number of equations in question as well as in answers. So second image will appear here. Similarly you can add third option. You can add images. Your equation expressions should be in JPG format. Similarly you can add fourth option. Then so these are my options, answers in equation: option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. This is my question. In question you can add image, in answer you can add image. Now we have to assign marks for this. So for that you have to click on, so it is a multiple choice option. So multiple choice option, and you can assign the marks. For that first you have to make it as a quiz. So first you have to make it as quiz, then and then only you can assign the marks, otherwise you cannot assign the marks. So there is option answer key. So answer key, you have to click here, you have to select proper answer. For example, option 2 is correct answer, so I have select correct answer. Then you can decide the marks for this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, according to your requirement you can give the marks, for example 2, and then you have to click on done. If your question is compulsory, you have to select required. If it is not compulsory, don't click on required, so it is not required. So by this way you can add equation in question as well as you can add equation expression in answer. So this is small demonstration how to add expressions, questions, images in question as well as in answer. So thank you very much for watching this.